Welcome aboard the Carnival Vista. Today, we're giving you a full tour and review of our cabin. We'll show you the layout, storage, bathroom, and share what we really think about staying here. Let's check it out. Here we are on deck one.
Deck one.
Yes, all the way on the bottom, you guys.
Almost all the way at the back. If you look right back there, there you go. That's the end of the ship.
All right, let's go in and check out our cabin 1458.
All right.
Let's go. Let's walk completely inside because I think this is the tiniest cabin we've ever had.
This is by far the smallest cabin we've ever had. Yeah. All right, guys, tour's over. You've seen it.
There you go. This is it, the entire tour.
Pretty much. All right, so we got the king size bed.
Yes.
2 lamps on each side.
Mm-hmm.
Now, they do not have the USBs on them, okay? They're not the updated lamps. So no connectivity, no charging back there.
No, we didn't see any outlets over there. There may be one under the bed. We haven't looked yet, not sure.
But yeah, so far it doesn't look like anything. Swinging this way is your little TV and a little bar area, I guess.
Yeah,
kind of thing.
this is where your mini fridge is.
Yeah, your mini fridge is right here. There you go, and you got a couple little shelving there.
Yes.
All right.
All right, we'll spin around and look at the vanity desk here. You got your vanity mirror, which lights up. That's always nice.
But that desk is teeny.
That is a teeny tiny desk.
Teeny desk, man.
Yes, and only one drawer open. One is like a fake drawer.
Yeah, that doesn't
That's
open.
not a drawer. This opens, but it's got your hair dryer in it, so can't really store a whole lot in there.
No. So you got two power outlets and 2 standard USB, not USB-Cs. You've got 1 European.
Yes.
All right. Now here's what gets me with this room.
Yeah.
Is there's only 1 closet. So we've got to share this for an 8-day cruise. I overpack, so.
Everybody overpacks.
So, I mean, there's just very little. You're going to have to come around. There's very little storage, and it's very dark. I feel like this room's really dark. So we've got to share this. That's it. And then you've got some storage here, which, I mean, it's, for 2 people, it's going to be tight.
It is going to be tight. Of course, there's your safe.
Yeah, standard little teeny
Teeny tiny safe. Yep.
All right, so that's it. That's it for storage.
Now, we did forget, there is some storage in the nightstands.
Oh, a little bit, but yeah.
But yeah, these do open. You can store a little bit in there.
What am I going to put in there? Socks?
I don't know. Something. All right, let's check out the bathroom.
All right.
All right, here is your basic cruise ship bathroom.
Now, the bathroom seems normal to me.
Yeah, it's normal.
It doesn't seem smaller, so it seems like the normal size bathroom.
Yeah. Let's see if I can get you a good look. There's that. You've got 3 shelves. There's 3 on each side, so 6 shelves. That's good. And then toilet paper, tissues are down there. You got your shower, your fabric shower curtain. And of course, you've got your clothesline here to hang up your wetsuits. But yeah, pretty basic.
And it's got just the shampoo, conditioner all in one, right?
Yeah, you've got the shampoo, conditioner. Well, it just says shampoo, so shampoo and shower gel.
All right.
All right.
So ladies, bring your own.
Of course, ladies always bring your own.
All right. Well, that's pretty much it. I mean, over here you've got you need to have a card in for your
light switch. They provided a card for us today,
so
which
was
is
pretty nice.
Awesome. Okay, but I mean, that's it. That's our tiny cabin, you guys.
I mean, it's fine for us, except for I'm a little worried on the storage is all.
We'll make do. We'll manage.
I'm sure we're going to manage.
But this was an interior guaranteed cabin. They picked our room for us because we like to save money anywhere we can. So that's what we did, and we're down on deck 1.
Yep.
We're okay with that.
Yeah. Hey, it is what it is. We're on a cruise, man.
Yep. All right. Well, thanks for watching our cabin tour, y'all.
All right, it's time for the review of the room. It's been 8 nights. What do you think so far?
Well, I think we had a great room.
Yes, absolutely.
Even though, sometimes you get a little scared being on deck 1, being so low, but it was awesome.
Yeah, our location's been great. We're not far off from the stairs. Deck 1, pretty much everything is on deck 4 or 5.
Yes.
So it's just a few flights up. We can take the stairs easy peasy. The buffet and stuff is on deck 10, so we usually do take the elevator for that one. But being in the back, it's
right above us, so it's not a lot of walking once you get up there.
Yep. So it's been a great location. I was worried being in the back here. I mean, there's only 2-3 more rooms before you hit the back there.
Yeah, maybe.
So I was a little scared noise-wise that we were in the back. We were going to hear a lot of the
engine noise and stuff.
Engine noise. You're going to hear a lot of when we got to ports, the ropes, stuff like that. And we could hear the ropes, but it wasn't.
A little bit.
Yeah, it wasn't bad, but there was no weird clunking.
No.
No weird sounds, nothing. So yeah, it was great.
And our room stayed very cold.
Yes.
If you wanted it cold, you just put your AC down and it got cold.
Yes, it was. Yeah. Kim bumps it down at night. I was all shivering underneath my blankets. The only downside I'm going to say was it was small. I mean, it's fine for us. It's fine. I would have loved to have another closet, kind of just a little more storage space.
I mean, it is your basic small interior room, yes. But yeah, it felt like it was missing one closet. Normally you have one more closet, but we made do, we managed. It wasn't a big deal.
Not a big deal. I just felt very cluttered all cruise. There was stuff everywhere.
I know, we did kind of have stuff everywhere. It was kind of messy. But our room steward came every day, kept it clean, made his towel animals every day.
Let me get his name. I think it was Katu.
Katut? Katut? I don't know.
I can't see. I don't have my glasses on.
Very nice. We didn't see him a whole lot. I mean, we'd pass him in the hallway every once in a while.
But yeah, we're so on the go that
Yeah, but overall it was great.
Yeah, excellent room. What room number is it again?
1458.
Right?
Are you trying to talk over me again? Room 1458. If you ask me a question, let me answer.
Okay. All right, guys. We'll talk to you next time. I'm sorry.
We hope you enjoyed our room review, you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming vlogs very soon.
What she said. Bye.
Bye.